and I'm the children's specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. And for our maker craft today, we are making penguin corner bookmarks. Let's get started. Craft, you will need colored paper in fun shapes. For this one, we're going to use a black square, a white square, and an orange rectangle. Scissors, a pencil, a black Sharpie or marker, and glue. The first step is to take your black square of paper and fold it in half into a triangle. You can drag your fingernail along the edge to make this fold really sharp. And then you're going to take each corner and fold it up to the top, like this. Once you've done that, you're going to unfold these corners and fold this down to meet the bottom here. Fold across like this. And then you're going to fold each corner down into that pocket, like so. Alright, there we go. Your fold doesn't have to be perfect. Clearly mine isn't, but that's the basic idea. Try and make this as sharp as possible so you have very little space in between, but it's okay if you do. Now, to make the penguin version of this corner bookmark, you're going to take your white paper here and you're going to draw two curved lines to make the belly. I draw them a little wide so that I have space to trim here. Go ahead and cut that out and you'll have something that looks like this. Now, this will probably be too long, which is fine. All you have to do is cut part of the side off until you can make it fit. There we go. This fits, so that's going to be my belly. Don't glue this down yet. You're going to put the feet in between these two. So you can put this off to the side. Grab that orange rectangle that you had. And we're going to make the beak and then the feet. So I'm going to cut it like this once. Going to make the beak first. You can draw it out too. I like to just cut a triangle. Make it easy. Whatever's easier for you. Alright, there's my beak. I'm going to set that off to the side. Then I'm going to make my feet. For this, I like to just make two tiny triangles to make the feet. So you do that. And then once more. Alright, so there's one foot. You can also draw it and cut it out. I just like this way better. I'm going to trim it a little bit to make it more like a foot. Alright, so we've got one foot. I'll repeat the same process with this guy. We've got almost all of our pieces. We just have the eyes left. So what I like to do is put these two pieces on top of each other, so you only have to cut once. And then what I'm going to do is take the top of my glue stick and trace the circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can freehand if you want to and just cut it out, but I like to just trace the top of my glue stick and make it easy on myself. Cut out that circle Now if you've layered it like I have, you'll have 2 circles, the same shape when you're done. Alright. So now we've got 2 circles. I'm going to clean this up a little bit, and then we're ready to glue. So, clean that up. Alright, so I've got 2 eyes here. I'm going to glue them up here. So a little bit of glue there, a little bit of glue there. One, 2. Alright, there are my penguin's eyes. I'm going to take the black Sharpie that I have. You can use a black marker. I'm going to make little eyes. I'm going to have him look down. So I'm going to make the eyes look down like that. And then remember, we didn't glue down the belly because you're going to glue down the feet first. So line the feet up toward the bottom so that they'll be hidden when you put the belly in, like that. And then you're good to glue. So I'm going to move it off to the side, add some glue here. This glue doesn't show when it dries, so I'm adding it like that. You can also add glue to the back of your pieces. Glue those feet down, and then glue the belly on top, like that. Line those corners up, add a little bit of glue at the bottom there. Make sure it really sticks. Alright, we're almost done. Just got the beak left. So, apply glue to the top. So we're going to glue it underneath. So add some glue to the top there. And then stick it under like so. I'm going to press down a little bit, make sure that glue dries properly. Alright, and there's your corner penguin bookmark. You can use it on the corner of any page in a book. Good job. Alright, I hope you had fun making your penguin corner bookmark. Remember, the directions for folding until you get to the penguin details are the same for any corner bookmark. So you're welcome to be as creative as you would like. I've seen monsters, I've seen ducks, I've seen frogs. So you can get as creative as you would like. But I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to follow us here on YouTube. Hit subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye!